Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to welcome you here today. It's an historic moment for Slovakia, which will become the 16th country to join the euro area on the 1st January 2009, exactly 10 years after the euro was set up.
My teraz stojíme na jednom z mála miest, odkiaľ nie je vidno gigantický plagát na našej budove, ktorý inak nie je možné prehliadnúť. Vystavujeme ju s hrdosťou, pretože symbolizuje historickú udalosť, ktorá nás posúva do novej éry a stáva sa symbolom nového obrazu Slovenska.
Governor Šramko, it now gives me great pleasure to invite you to symbolically unveil, and we would do that together, what I believe is the biggest banner ever displayed in Slovakia. To mark this festive moment, I'm also extraordinarily happy to hand over the traditional Euro star to Governor Šramko to symbolize Národná banka Slovenska joining the Euro system. Thank you, Mr. I feel most honored to open now the Euro exhibition, which houses a presentation of the euro banknotes and coins and contains important and interesting information about the euro for people of all ages. I declare, if you permit me, Governor Šramko, the euro exhibition open. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be with you here in Bratislava at this conference taking place a few weeks before Slovakia joins the euro area in January 2009.
Great efforts have already been made, and even greater ones will be made to ensure that the people of Slovakia are well informed about euro coins and euro notes and their security features. I am looking forward very, very warmly to welcoming Národná banka Slovenska to the euro system and Slovakia to the euro area. Vitaj Slovensko, welcome Slovakia.
Je to 101 dní od historického momentu, keď slovenskú korunu nahradí spoločná európska mena. Naša vďaka patrí určite pánovi prezidentovi Európskej centrálnej banky, pánovi Trichetovi a členovi Európskej komisie, komisárovi pre hospodárske a menové záležitosti, pánovi Almuniovi.
Indeed, I am delighted to be here today in Bratislava in such a distinguished company, as we look forward to Slovakia's historic entry into the euro area. This country can be very proud that just 5 years after joining the European Union, it has successfully met all the criteria necessary to adopt the single currency.
Euro je pre Slovensko ďalším významným krokom v procese európskej integrácie, pretože spoločná mena predstavuje pre nás, Európanov, dôležitý symbol vzájomného zbližovania bez bariér.